Are you tired of your game stuttering right when you're about to clutch the round? What if I told you that Windows is secretly hoarding your PC's performance? Today, we are diving into the ultimate 2026 Windows optimization guide. I'm going to show you the exact hidden settings, from custom virtual memory tweaks to stripping away useless background processes that will squeeze out every single frame your hardware is capable of. Before we dive into the steps, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. First, head over to the Windows search bar and type in Registry Editor. This is where the magic happens. Right-click and make sure you run as administrator to unlock full access to these performance tweaks. To make this even easier for you, I've included the exact path in the description below. Just copy and paste it so you don't get lost. You can also find it directly on our Patreon page for quick access. Once you're there, look for the entry named System Responsiveness. Now, double-click on System Responsiveness. You'll see the value data is set to 14 by default. Go ahead and change that to Boing. Make sure the base is set to hexadecimal, then hit OK. Next, look just below that folder and open up the Games subfolder. This section controls how Windows prioritizes your hardware specifically when you're gaming. You'll see a list of values here like GPU priority and scheduling category. Try to make the value 8. Now, look for the entry named priority. You'll see the value data is currently set to 2. We're going to change this to 6. Now, look for the scheduling category entry. By default, it might be set to medium, but for the best gaming performance, we're going to change this to high. This tells Windows to prioritize your game's processing tasks above everything else. Just double-click it, type in high, and hit OK. Now all you need to do is restart your system for these steps to take effect. Now, let's optimize your power plan for maximum performance. Open your search bar, type in Control Panel, and hit Enter. Once the window opens, make sure your view is set to large icons so you can find everything easily. Look for Power Options and click on it. You'll likely see your system set to Balanced. We want to change that. Select the High Performance plan. This ensures your CPU isn't being throttled to save power. Next, click on Change Plan Settings right next to it, and then select Change Advanced Power Settings. A small window will pop up. We need to tweak a few hidden values here. First, find USB settings, expand USB selective suspend setting, and make sure it's set to disabled. This prevents your mouse or keyboard from lagging to save power. Finally, scroll down to processor power management. Open the minimum processor state and make sure it's set to 100%. Do the same for the maximum processor state. This keeps your PC ready for action at all times. Hit Apply, then OK, and you're good to go. Now, let's squeeze every bit of speed out of Windows by disabling unnecessary animations. Open your search bar, type in View Advanced System Settings, and click the matching result. Under the Advanced tab, look for the Performance section and click on Settings. This opens the Visual Effects window. To get the best response time, select the option that says Adjust for Best Performance. However, I recommend keeping a few things checked manually, like Show Thumbnails instead of icons, and Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts, just so your desktop doesn't look too outdated. Click Apply to save these changes. The Processor Scheduling section, ensure that it is set to Programs. Once that's done, hit OK, then OK again on the main window, and you're all set. To protect your privacy and boost performance, we need to disable some hidden Windows telemetry. Start by opening your Settings app. Navigate to the Privacy and Security tab on the left sidebar. Under Windows Permissions, click on General. Here, you want to toggle off all 4 options, especially the one for advertising IDs and personalized ads. Go back and select Speech. Make sure online speech recognition is turned off, so Windows isn't constantly sending your voice data to the cloud. Next, enter the inking and typing personalization menu, and turn that off as well. Finally, go into Diagnostics and Feedback. Expand the Send Optional Diagnostic Data section and switch it to Off. This stops Windows from sending extra info about your app usage and browser history to Microsoft, saving you both privacy and background system resource. To reduce background activity, we're going to disable automatic maintenance. Start by opening your search bar and type in Security and Maintenance. Then click the first result that appears. Once the window opens, look for the Maintenance section and click the small arrow to expand the options. You'll see a setting called Automatic Maintenance. Click on Change Maintenance Settings. From here, uncheck the box that allows the computer to wake up for maintenance at a scheduled time, then hit OK to save your changes. Now, let's stop Windows from eating up your RAM as soon as you boot up. Hit the search bar, type in Startup Apps, and open it. You'll see a list of applications that launch automatically. Go ahead and toggle off everything you don't need, like Teams, OneDrive, or any third-party updaters. This reduces the load on your CPU and makes your system feel way more responsive. Next, we're going to tell Windows to prioritize your gameplay. Search for Game Mode settings and make sure this is toggled on. When Game Mode is active, Windows stops background updates and driver installations, ensuring every bit of power goes directly to your game. Finally, let's dive into the graphics settings. Look for the option that says Optimizations for Windowed Games and turn that on. This reduces latency and unlocks advanced features like Auto HDR and Variable Refresh Rate, even if you aren't playing in full-screen mode. This is a game changer for overall smoothness. To prevent Windows from limiting your CPU power, we need to adjust the group policy. Click the Start button and type in Group. Then select Edit Group Policy from the results. In the local group policy editor, double-click on Computer Configuration on the right. From there, go into Administrative Templates, and then open the System folder. Scroll down and find the folder named Power Management. Double-click to open it, and this is where you'll find the specific settings to disable power throttling for maximum performance. When finished, press Apply, then OK. Next, we'll disable some hidden telemetry tasks that run in the background. Open your Start menu, type in Task, and select Task Scheduler from the list. Once the Task Scheduler opens, expand the Task Scheduler library on the left. Then, navigate through Microsoft, then Windows, and find the folder labeled Application Experience. Inside this folder, you'll see several tasks like Microsoft Compatibility Appraiser and Startup App Task. Right-click on each of these and select Disable. Now, we're going to clear out junk files that slow down your system. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Then type in %temp% and hit Enter. Once the folder opens, select every file inside and hit the Delete button. If a window pops up saying a file is in use, simply check the box for Do this for all current items and click Skip. Finally, open the Run box again, but this time type temp without the percentage signs. And that's it. The final and most important step is to restart your computer. This ensures that all the registry tweaks, power plans, and system optimizations we just made are fully applied. Once you reboot, you'll notice a significant jump in FPS and a much smoother gaming experience. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more optimization guides. See you in the next one.